Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this really easy undone bun. To start, we're going to divide the hair and we're going to go from about the end of the eyebrows. So section off this top section and just smooth it down with your hand. Next, split it into 3 equal parts and we're going to do a very chunky French braid. So cross the left over the middle and then the right strand over the middle. Then cross the left strand over the middle. But this time we're going to add a nice chunky bit of hair from the left hand side and cross that over to the middle also. And then we're going to cross the right hand strand over the middle strand and add a nice bit of chunky hair from the right hand side and join this into the middle strand as well. Then just do a stitch or 2 of regular 3-strand braid, and we're just going to push this up slightly to give it a bit of lift and pin this straight across using a few bobby pins just to hold it in place for now. We're going to take small sections of hair between our finger and thumb and we're just going to pinch and pull them out and secure them in place with a little bit of hairspray. And we want to do this all over that braided section of hair to give it a nice messy look. Next, gather that hair that's hanging down and bring it up to meet those bobby pins, and we're going to gather it into a ponytail. So we'll just slide those bobby pins out of the way and then using an elastic band create a ponytail about ear height. Next, twist that ponytail in one direction and then wrap it around the base of the ponytail, so around that elastic band in the opposite direction, and then wrap it all the way round and tuck the ends underneath. Then just secure this to the head all the way around that bun using as many bobby pins as needed. So we want to mess this bun up a little bit, so take very tiny sections of the hair and again pinch and pull and secure in place with hairspray. And we're just going to carry on pinching and pulling around the entire bun until you're happy with the look. And here's the finished style. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.